Well, hello, my friends. My name is Miss Katz with Comic Kids, and today we are going to be drawing one of my absolute favorite video games from Nintendo. We're going to be drawing Toad from Super Mario Brothers. Let's get started.
Teaching kids art through comics, cartoons, and books. Comic Kids.
Okay, everybody, let's get started drawing the mushroom from Super Mario Brothers. Here we go. All right, the first thing we're going to do is draw the bottom of his face, and that is the shape of the letter U. Just like that. Real simple. Just a little bit of a U here. That's just the bottom of his face. And then the next thing we're going to do is a little line that goes over in an arch. That means it kind of sort of looks a little bit like a rainbow, that little arching line. Very good. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and give our mushroom two little eyes, and they're shaped like ovals. So I'm going to do one oval over here like that. Very good. And another one over here like that. And so we've got the two eyes. Then we're going to draw a really cute smiley little mouth. The way we're going to do that, I want you guys to just draw a little line like this. It's the beginning. And the next thing you'll do is the bottom part of the mouth that's going to kind of do another shape of the letter U, just like that. Very good. And the last thing I'll do with the mouth is add two little lines right on either side. And you can put a little tongue in there. And the way you do a tongue is just doing a little arch over. Very good, my friends. Okay, now we want to do the top that makes it look like an actual mushroom. So we're going to do this kind of big, wide mushroom top along the top of our character's face. So I'm going to come over from the side, and I'm going to do, I guess we could call this a semicircle. It's kind of like a portion of a circle. Little bit like a circle, kind of actually more like an oval. And you see that I came out from the side and then just went up and over. Very good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some circles inside of the mushroom head. So I'm going to do, it's not a full circle that I have here. It's kind of a portion of a circle. You see how I cut it off a little bit at the top? Very good. And then I'm going to do two portions of circles on either side. So I got one over here, like that. Very good. And then I've got another one over here. So if it was a full circle, when it's going around the mushroom top, you're only going to see part of it, right? You're not going to see the full circle. That's why we draw it like that. Okay, my friends, the next thing we're going to do, he's got a body that's a little bit smaller from here to here. You could take your fingers and measure from here to here. We're going to make a body, but it's going to be a little bit smaller than that size. That's called proportion, the size. And we're going to start by putting him in this kind of cute little vest. And the way that we draw that is we're going to come out on either side like this. That's the beginning of drawing a vest. The next thing we're going to do is two lines on either side of that curved line. And then two lines that go straight up. I'm going to make that line a little bit longer. There we go. That's the first part of our vest. Very good. Now we're going to make it a little bit bigger, and we want to do a little bit of a design on our vest. So you should have some space between here and here. I'm going to do a second line like that and one over here. Notice how it's a little bit longer. Very good. Then I'm going to do a line that goes like this, and I'm going to drag it so that it's even with that, and the same thing on this side. Very good, my friends. And the way I'm going to finish this vest is by doing a little line right here and a little line right there. So I closed it off. Awesome. Okay, everyone, let's get into doing the bottom of our character. So I'm going to give him these cute little kind of pants, I guess that's what he's wearing. Are they pants? Are they shorts? I don't really know. You're just going to do a little curve like that. And then in between the line of our vest that we did, we're just going to draw one line. So he has a cute little kind of a tummy. Very good. Okay, friends, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to give him some feet. So he's wearing kind of these big brown shoes. So I'm going to do one shoe over here like this. Awesome. And I'm going to do the same thing on this other side. I'm going to do a big brown shoe over here. Very good. Now the only thing he's missing is his arms. Okay, so we want to give our mushroom from Super Mario Brothers a cute little waving hand. So I'm going to come up here by his face and do two little lines like this. This is his arm. There we go. That's just two little lines. And then when we're drawing the hand, we want to show that it's waving. So we're going to do a thumb and then fingers. So the first thing I'll do is I'm going to draw a little cute, tiny little thumb like that. One curvy little line. And then we're going to draw 4 fingers, and they're just going to kind of pile on top of each other, but you're not going to make them that big. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I just connected it to the arm. Now this other arm, I'm going to have it going down, so he's not going to be waving with his other arm. I'm going to just take it up from the side of our vest. We're going to go down and we're going to do one little line like that. And that's the top of his arm. And then we're going to come off and put the fingers on the side, like he's holding his hand out. So once we come out, we're going to start pinky first. That's our little pinky. Awesome, friends. And then we're going to do a couple more lines. 1, 2, 3. So I've got the 4 fingers, pinky, ring finger, middle, and pointer. Very good. And you see they kind of go in a line like that. And I'm going to close my finger off like that. And I'm going to have the thumb, but it's going to be facing down like that. You see that's his little thumb facing right down. And then all we have to do is connect that arm over to his body. And there you have it, friends. We've drawn a mushroom. Awesome. And there we have it, my friends. The mushroom from Super Mario Brothers. I loved drawing with you today. Okay, my little artists, I hope you guys had fun drawing Toad from Super Mario Brothers with me. I'll see you real soon. Comic Kids is a nonprofit helping children in the community learn art through comics, cartoons, and books. To learn more, see our website at comickids.org and follow us on Instagram. For more videos like these, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.